Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make BIR style Methi Chicken. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. To begin, heat a pan on medium and add in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once hot, add in 1 star anise, a bay leaf, 2 green cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a 1-inch piece of cassia bark and 1 clove. Allow to fry for around 60 seconds to infuse their flavours in the oil. Add half an onion that has either been cut up finely or blended, stir through and allow to soften for a minute or two. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 2 chopped green finger chillies. Stir them in and allow to simmer so the onions slightly caramelise. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, stir through and cook for around a minute until the bitter smell disappears. Now tip in 1 tablespoon of tomato puree mixed with 4 tablespoons of water, as well as 1 tablespoon of mix powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of chilli powder. You can add in more if you like your curries hotter. Mix in well and allow the spices to fry for a few minutes, adding in a small amount of base if things look dry. If you ever have gritty or powdery curries, it's most likely that you're not cooking out the spices enough at this stage. If you're adding raw meat, it's time to add it now. Coat it in the sauce and allow to brown for a minute or two before moving on. Add half of the heated up base gravy, stir in and allow to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding the rest and stirring through. Time to add the protein, so add around 8 pieces of veg, paneer or tofu and coat in the sauce to stop it drying out. Take out a bunch of methi and remove the leaves from the stem. I end up with around 30 grams of leaf per dish. Stir them in and allow them to wilt for a couple of minutes. If you're using dried kasuri methi, then you can add around 8 grams, that's approximately 3 tablespoons now. Add a quarter of a cup of fresh chopped coriander, stir through and allow to reduce without stirring for a few more minutes. Turn off the heat, allow to cool for a minute, then slowly incorporate 4 tablespoons of yoghurt. Adding this too fast when hot may cause it to split, so be careful. I actually microwave mine for 10 to 20 seconds to warm it slightly first. If you've used raw meat, check it's fully cooked, then serve and enjoy. Please remember to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell and perhaps leave a comment. Check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.